employees at the Porsche site in Saxony are celebrating a special production milestone. Today, the 2-millionth Porsche to be built in Leipzig, a Panamera Turbo E-Hybrid in Madeira Gold Metallic, left the production line. The high-performance sedan is now on its way to a customer in Dubai. The Panamera model line has been in operation in Leipzig since 2009. The success story of our Leipzig location is closely linked to the Panamera. Like the location itself, the model represents growth and change. From 2009, the Panamera was initially built and painted within the Porsche Group. The assembly plant first opened in 2002, and when it was expanded into a full factory, it turned the Panamera into a true Leipziger, with production of the second generation starting in 2016. In November 2013, the first body construction plant and paint shop started production at the location. The expansion to a full factory was a groundbreaking decision for the site. As a full factory, Porsche manufacture models in their entirety, from the construction of the body to the final assembly. This has laid the foundation for new car projects and continued growth. Today, Porsche is an important economic driver and employer in the central German region, with the factory employing more than 4,400 people. In recent years, the factory has evolved into a center of expertise for electromobility. In future, it will be possible to manufacture 3 types of powertrain combustion, electric and hybrid drives, flexibly on a single line. The Porsche factory in Leipzig has already won multiple awards, including one for its smart factory approaches. Its objective has been to prepare the factory and its processes for the future in the best possible way, making them intelligent, digital, and connected. Sustainability is also a central aspect of the factory strategy.